Welcome back to another exciting video. Today we are going to explore a very interesting and modern coin from Africa that many collectors find unique because of its design and symbolism. In front of you is a 2010 Kenya 20 shillings coin, a bimetallic coin that represents the identity and heritage of Kenya. At first glance, it may look like an ordinary coin, but when you examine it closely, you will notice the beautiful combination of metals and the detailed national emblem. In this video, I will explain everything about this coin, including its design, composition, history, minting details, and collector value. The 2010 Kenya 20 shillings coin features a modern bimetallic design, which means it is made from two different metals. The outer ring is silver-colored, while the inner core is golden, creating a strong contrast that makes the coin visually appealing. On the coin, you can clearly see the large number 20 representing the denomination. Below it is the Kenyan coat of arms, which includes two lions holding shields and spears, symbolizing protection and strength. Around the outer ring, the words Republic of Kenya and 20 shillings 2010 are inscribed, identifying the country and the year of issue. The detailed engraving and balanced layout make the coin both attractive and meaningful. The use of two metals also helps in preventing counterfeiting and adds to the durability of the coin. The Kenyan shilling has been the official currency of Kenya since the country gained independence in 1963. Coins like the 20 shillings are part of the modern currency system used in everyday transactions. The design of this coin reflects Kenya's national pride and cultural identity. The coat of arms featured on the coin is an important national symbol that represents unity, strength, and independence. Over the years, Kenya has introduced different coin designs, but bimetallic coins like this one are among the more modern issues. These coins are widely circulated and used by the public, making them common in daily life. However, for collectors, they represent a piece of modern African history and the evolution of currency design. The value of this 2010 Kenya 20 shillings coin depends mainly on its condition and availability. Coins that are in uncirculated condition, meaning they have no scratches or wear, are more desirable to collectors. Circulated coins, which show signs of use, are usually worth their face value unless they have special features. Although this coin is not extremely rare, certain variations or mint errors can make it more collectible. Collectors often look for coins with clear details, strong contrast between the metals, and minimal damage. Proper storage is important to maintain the coin's condition over time, as exposure to air and moisture can cause tarnishing. Even modern coins can gain value in the future if they are preserved. When it comes to value, the 2010 Kenya 20 shillings coin is generally worth its face value in circulation, but it can have additional value for collectors, especially those interested in world coins. Bimetallic coins are often popular because of their unique design and durability. While this coin may not currently be very expensive, its appeal lies in its design and cultural significance. Collectors who focus on international coins often include such coins in their collections. As time passes and older coins become less common, their value may increase slightly, especially if they are in excellent condition. This makes collecting coins like this both an enjoyable hobby and a potential long-term investment. So guys, this was the complete explanation and detailed breakdown of the 2010 Kenya 20 shillings coin. From its modern design and national symbolism to its condition and collector value, this coin is more than just everyday currency. It represents the identity and heritage of Kenya in a unique way. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content like this. Your support helps me bring more rare coins and currency stories to you. Also, comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep exploring.